Talcott Parsons' The Structure of Social Action, 1937, is one of the cornerstone works in sociology. The book presents an ambitious attempt to integrate a vast body of knowledge, ranging from economics to psychology, into a unified framework for understanding social behavior. Parsons argues that social action is a rational, purposeful behavior that occurs within a structure of interrelated systems, all governed by norms and values. His theories were pivotal in the development of sociological functionalism, a perspective that focuses on the functions that various elements of society perform to maintain its stability. Key concepts in the structure of social action. Social action. Parsons builds his theory around the idea of social action, which he defines as behavior that is oriented towards other people or influenced by the expectations of others. Unlike mere behavior, which can be mechanical or reflexive, social action involves deliberate intent and is shaped by societal norms, values, and the roles people occupy within society. Action is viewed as purposeful and meaningful, driven by a series of subjective motivations and objectives, influenced by both individual goals and collective norms. The four system components. Parsons contends that any social action must be understood within the context of four interrelated systems that shape the behavior of individuals. 1. The actor, the individual or group performing the action. The actor is not a passive recipient of societal influence, but is an active agent within a system of social relations. 2. The social system. This represents the network of relationships in which the actor is embedded. It refers to the organized patterns of social relations between individuals and groups that structure society. The social system is composed of roles and norms that guide the behavior of individuals. 3. The cultural system. The cultural system refers to the values, beliefs, and norms that influence and direct social action. It shapes the way individuals interpret the world around them, providing the cognitive frameworks through which people make sense of their environment. 4. The personality system. The personality system relates to the internal psychological structures that influence how an individual behaves. It refers to the internalization of cultural norms, values, and social expectations that help the individual to function within the larger social system. In Parsons' view, these four systems work together to regulate and direct social action, ensuring that individuals' actions are socially acceptable and contribute to the functioning of society. This integration of systems also underscores the interdependence of different social elements, where a change in one system inevitably affects the others. Action and the social order. One of Parsons' main theoretical contributions is his exploration of how social order is maintained through the alignment of social action with societal norms. He uses the concept of the AGIL scheme to explain this process. AGIL stands for adaptation, goal attainment, integration, and latency, which represent the four functional prerequisites that any system, including society, must fulfill to ensure stability and continuity. 1. Adaptation refers to the system's ability to adjust to external demands, such as changes in the environment or economic conditions. 2. Goal attainment is the system's ability to pursue goals in line with the needs and aspirations of society. 3. Integration ensures that the different parts of the system work together harmoniously, promoting solidarity and cooperation. 4. Latency refers to the system's ability to maintain and reproduce its cultural values and norms over time, ensuring stability in social action across generations. These four functional imperatives form the foundation of the social system, ensuring its continuity by integrating individuals and their actions within a coherent value-based structure. Value consensus and socialization. Parsons highlights the importance of value consensus in ensuring social stability. Society's cohesion relies on shared values and norms that are accepted by individuals. The process of socialization plays a crucial role in this, as it is through socialization that individuals internalize societal values and norms. The family, education, and other institutions are the primary agents of socialization, teaching individuals the rules and expectations that govern social behavior. Parsons' view of socialization is influenced by the idea that individuals are not born with a clear understanding of societal norms. Rather, they are socialized into roles and values that are dictated by their position in the social system. This process is reciprocal, While individuals contribute to the social system by acting in accordance with norms, the system also shapes individuals' personalities and behaviors. Social roles and norms. Central to Parsons' theory is the idea of social roles. These roles are structured and patterned behaviors that individuals are expected to perform in different contexts. For example, in the family, individuals may take on the roles of parents, children, or siblings, each with distinct expectations and responsibilities. Similarly, in the workplace or educational settings, individuals are expected to fulfill roles based on their social status and occupation. Norms are the guidelines for these roles. They prescribe what is considered acceptable behavior in any given social context. Parsons' functionalism holds that the existence of clear, widely accepted norms is critical to the smooth functioning of society. Social norms regulate behavior and help prevent chaos or disorder, ensuring that individuals act in ways that benefit the collective social structure. The influence of other thinkers. Parsons' The Structure of Social Action is heavily influenced by the works of several key sociological and philosophical figures. In particular, he draws on the theories of Max Weber, Emile Durkheim, and Vilfredo Pareto. Max Weber. Parsons was greatly influenced by Weber's concept of Verstehen, or understanding social action by interpreting the meanings individuals attach to their actions. While Parsons incorporates Weber's emphasis on the subjective meaning of actions, he focuses more on how these meanings contribute to the stability and functioning of the social system. Emile Durkheim. Durkheim's emphasis on social facts, collective consciousness, and the importance of societal cohesion can be seen in Parsons' work. However, while Durkheim focused more on social cohesion and institutions, Parsons incorporated a more comprehensive theory of the integration of various social components, including personality and culture. Vilfredo Pareto. The influence of Pareto can be seen in Parsons' concept of social action being driven by rational and purposive behavior. Pareto's theory of elites and the circulation of elites also echoes in Parsons' focus on the interrelation of roles within a social system. Criticisms and legacy. While Parsons' work in The Structure of Social Action was groundbreaking, it has been criticized for its overly deterministic and abstract nature. Critics argue that Parsons' theory downplays the role of individual agency, presenting individuals as overly shaped by social structures. Moreover, some scholars have critiqued the focus on stability and consensus, arguing that Parsons underestimates the significance of conflict in society. Despite these criticisms, Parsons' framework has had a lasting influence on sociology. His work has shaped the development of structural functionalism, a dominant perspective in mid-20th century sociology. Additionally, his emphasis on the interrelation of systems influenced later sociologists who sought to understand how various elements of society interact and contribute to social order. In the decades following the publication of The Structure of Social Action, Parsons' work was further developed and modified by other sociologists. Figures such as Robert K. Merton, who introduced the concepts of manifest and latent functions, and J.D. Lerner, who emphasized the role of social change, extended Parsons' ideas to explore the complexities of social life. Talcott Parsons' The Structure of Social Action represents a significant theoretical achievement in sociology. By introducing the concept of social action, Parsons paved the way for understanding the relationships between individuals, society, and culture within a broader system of social order. His theories of social roles, norms, and value consensus provided a framework for understanding how society functions to maintain stability and integration. While his work has faced criticism for its abstract nature and its emphasis on consensus, it remains a foundational text for anyone interested in understanding the intricacies of social systems and the role of individuals within them. Parsons' analysis of the interconnectedness of action, norms, values, and social systems continues to be a touchstone for sociologists seeking to understand the dynamics of human behavior in society.